everyone, my name is k.Poojitha. Currently, I am pursuing my btech third year in computer science engineering with a specialization with data science in Raghu Engineering College. Today, I am here to present my e-commerce sales dashboard project that is created using MS Excel. So, the main objective of this project is to analyze the e-commerce sales data and to convert this raw data into meaningful business insights using interactive dashboards like this. So now this project simulates real world scenarios like where companies like Amazon and Flipkart they use these type of dashboards to analyze the sales performance and to make business decisions. So now the objective of this project analyzes total sales performance, identifies top selling products and categories, monitors monthly trends, creates interactive dashboards using Excel tools, helps business managers make data driven decisions. Now the this dashboard is created by using some Excel tools like pivot tables, pivot charts, slices, tables, sorting and filtering and charts like bar chart, line chart, column chart, etc. Now, first of all, coming to pivot tables are used to summarize data. See, here you can observe this. This is the data of the revenue by category. So now to convert this data into pivot chart or pivot table, first you have to select the data and now you have to go into insert tab and here you can see there is a pivot chart and pivot table. So if you click on that, you want the representation of pivot chart and pivot table of the data of revenue by category. So you have to click on OK. Now you can observe here you want revenue by category. So select that. So see you can observe here this is the sum of the revenue by category. As I already said that pivot table just gives you a summary of the data. So here this is the pivot table which gives you the sum of the revenue by category. So this is the pivot chart. A pivot chart is the visual representation of the pivot table. See here you can see this is the sum of revenue by category. The number is this. So here you can observe it is showing the graphical representation of this number here. So this is meant by pivot chart. So pivot table gives you the summary of the data whereas pivot chart gives you the visual representation of the pivot table. And now coming to slicers, here you can see there is insert slicer. So if you click on that, so you want revenue by category, so select that and now click OK. Now you can observe you will get a slicer here. So by using this slicer, you can observe that this slicer is used to filter data interactively and this is a visual filter for pivot tables and pivot charts. So here you can filter the data by clicking on the buttons. If you click on this number, so you can observe the change in the pivot chart and also in the pivot table. So you can filter the data by using slicers in the Excel. So this is also one of the tool to create a interactive dashboard. And now coming to dashboard insights, you can observe here the key insights of the dashboard includes best performing categories, sales trends over time, top products, and business growth analysis. So now the visual representation of the data. So here you can see that this first of all basically this is the data that I got of revenue by category. So by seeing this data, you cannot visually understand that which product is sold faster and which is going slow. So to convert this into the visual format, you have to select this data and now you have to go into insert tab. Here you can see there are bar chart, pie chart, histogram and everything. So I want this data in the form of histogram. So I am clicking on this and here you can observe so this is the raw data and this is a visual representation of this data. So by seeing this chart you can understand that the electronics are being sold more and the accessories are being sold less. than analyzing by the raw data. By seeing the visual representation, you can easily understand and analyze the data and analyze the performance of which product is being sold faster or slow. So now let's go into top products. In this top products, this is the raw data of the top products. But I want this in a visual representation of bar graph. So I'll select this data and I'm going to insert tab. Here you can see this is the bar graph. Sorry, this is the bar graph. And now see you can observe this is the raw data, and this is the visual representation of this raw data in the form of bar graph. So by seeing this data, it's hard to understand which product is being sold and which is the top product. But here the data already, by using slicer, the data already filtered it, and it had given you the top product to the least product. So here you can see the shoes are being sold more and the watches are being sold less. So by seeing this data, this visual representation, you can easily say that which product is being sold more and which is being sold less. So than using or analyzing the raw data, if you analyze this visual data, it will be easy for the business uh, managers to make decisions very accurately. So now this is the monthly sales data. This is the raw data of the monthly sales. So I want to convert this data into a line graph. So I'm selecting this data and now I'm going into insert, and this is the line graph. So now here you can see this is the raw data and this is the graphical line graph representation of this data. And by seeing this data, you cannot say that in which month the sales are increasing and which month the sales are decreasing. But by seeing this line graph, you can easily say that in January the sales are in this, and in February the sales are increasing, and in March they increased, and again in May they got decreased. So you can, by seeing this line graph, you can easily observe in which month, how the sales trend is going on. And now this is the top customers. By seeing this, who is the top customer, or who are purchasing less and who are purchasing more, you cannot understand easily. So I want to convert this raw data into a pie chart so that you can understand easily. So select the data and now go into insert and click on pie chart. So this is the pie chart. So here you can see, there are so many layouts, so you can easily click on which you want. First I'm clicking on this. Here you can see Sneha, it is in a blue color, so you can see Sneha is purchasing 8% every year. So these are the top customers who are purchasing products from your company. So this is the overall dashboard. By seeing this overall dashboard, you can see here the revenue by category, where the electronics, accessories, and fashion products are being sold. And here you can see which product is being sold more and which product is being sold less. And here you can and here you can observe in which month the how the sales is. So here you can observe the monthly sales trend, and here you can observe which customer is purchasing more. Here you can observe the top customers. So basically this is the overall dashboard. So the businesses can see this dashboard and they can analyze easily what's going on in the current e-commerce sales. By using this dashboard than the raw data, they can easily understand, they can easily analyze the data by this visual representation. And now coming to the conclusion, we can say that this project demonstrates how the Excel is can be used to create a professional dashboard and generate valuable business insights. And in this project showcases my skills in data analysis, data visualization, and also the dashboard creation. Thank you for watching this video.